Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. I'm back with Mr. MMG.
Hello.
So he came up with this skewer pour idea and we had so much fun that he wants to do his own. So we're each going to do one. And yeah, we've got all our colors ready to go. So basically we just took this as a paper towel roll and stuck a bunch of skewers through it. Some of the holes may be a little bit big, so we may get some of the paint seeping out early, but that's okay. We're just going to go ahead and start filling these. And each of these paints, they're different acrylic paints mixed with Floetrol and water. So here we go. It's a little bit of tight quarters, so just bear with us. Oops, sorry.
You know me in purple.
I know. And I'm kind of trying to work around a couple different cameras here. So last time I think I put too much black. I'm going to put just a little bit this time. Go on some of this. And we got this, oh yeah, we got this gold-ish color. Sorry. Yeah, mine's already starting to come out the sides. I would just be careful because it could just fall over.
Well, just don't knock it over.
Okay.
And I will knock it over.
Okay. Okay. Okay, good. I think I'm fine on mine.
I need a little more. Well, you already filled up?
Yep.
Wow.
I'm going to go ahead and start pulling out my skewers.
Do it.
Oh, that was, oh. This is what, Kerplunk, right?
Something
I totally
like
just ran into yours, by the way.
It's okay.
Not on purpose.
It's okay. Oh.
Yep.
It's okay.
Okay.
Alright. So stressful.
I know. I need like a much bigger work area for this.
Touch of black. Purple, because just why not?
This is like Kerplunk meets Jenga, right?
Something like that.
Okay, I'm a little worried I'm going to smack yours again.
Why are you going to be so violent?
Well, you just had it, you know. Or maybe it's like pickup sticks. Yeah. Right? Remember that one? Okay, good. Whew. Okay.
Almost there, almost there.
Good. I'm going to go ahead and bring you guys down for a side view while my husband's finishing off his. And mine's just running out of the holes. This is fun part.
Yes. Almost full.
And you shouldn't need to fill it up all the way, by the way.
No, no.
Okay.
I'm about there.
Yeah.
I think I just want to do one more splash, and that's because it's cool.
Go for it.
Splash. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Skewer time.
Okay, I'm gonna let go of mine and hopefully it stays so that people can see yours. Ooh, nice. That gold with that purple
Oozing.
is amazing.
Oh, yeah. I'm going to go this way with this one.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Who knew? Is it falling over?
Well, it was, but I stopped it. It's okay, though.
Cool. All right, we're going to let these run out for a minute. And then we'll come back for the up top view.
Oh, my goodness.
Okay, so mine definitely seeped out a lot faster than his. I'm thinking the holes on the bottom, I had bigger holes. So you go ahead and do whatever you're going to do with yours. I am really digging my colors.
I think I'm just going to let her roll.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I want to try to avoid getting that middle circle.
See, I like the circle.
I'm going to actually pull up and twist. Oh, yeah.
That's nonsense. Look, I have like a volcano or like a nuclear cloud at the
Okay, I
top.
still got a circle. I tried.
Yeah, well.
but it's a
You
slightly
can't
different circle.
always get what you... Oh.
I'm okay.
It's like a smiley face.
So we're trying to keep them in the camera while not pouring paint on each other.
Yeah, that is the challenging part here. Come back, inner circle. Come on, you're the 33rd degree.
Ooh, I like that, the pattern that my swirls created.
Swirly.
I'm gonna run it back a little more this way. I'm still not happy with that circle. I'm getting rid of it. Oh,
my circle is so deformed. You should have gotten mine because my circle is like totally not even a circle anymore.
Oh, I'm in love with mine. Mine's perfect now. Yep.
Perfect, huh?
Yep.
I'm digging mine too, actually.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you know?
Yours is definitely on the lighter side. Okay, you're kind of totally out of the camera, just FYI.
Oh, well, you know.
You know, in case anyone wants to see what you're doing.
Ain't no thing.
But a chicken wing?
On the string from Burger King.
Okay. Wow, totally different. And we use virtually the same colors. I didn't use the orange this time. And did you use the aqua?
A little bit.
You did? Okay.
Not a lot. There's
Yeah.
little highlights of it in the frame.
Yeah,
here.
I can kind of see. All right, I'm going to scoot yours up here.
Wow.
Yeah.
How exciting is that?
All right, so we're going to let these sit here for a minute. You can see the different cells popping up. And then we'll do our close-up. All right, so we're back. I don't think too much cellular development on mine, maybe a little bit. Definitely some coming up through Johnny's here. That's his real name, by the way, for those of you who don't know. And also, guys, he has a YouTube channel. My husband's actually like a super amazing musician. So I'll put the link for that in the description. Sometimes they sing on his channel too, if you want to see. It's a little wild and crazy. Let's do our close-up. All right, starting with Johnny's, we have the lower right-hand corner. His is definitely on the lighter side.
Yeah, odd for me.
I know, right? Upper right-hand corner.
And I'm digging that metallic sandy kind of color that we made, which was a mix of rose gold and
a chocolate, a metallic chocolate.
Yeah, that came out really neat, actually.
Yeah.
I'm digging that.
So it'll also be interesting to see what cells may develop later on that one. But yeah. Here's mine, lower right-hand corner.
Very geode-like.
Yeah, I like my swirls. Upper right-hand corner. This is my favorite part.
And then after you show them this, you got to show them the skin we're getting.
Upper left-hand corner. And then lower left-hand corner. Yep. And, I mean, you can see the paint in the middle. So we'll save all that. Mm-hmm. And then this one, too.
That came out of the bottom of my...
From the bottom of his toilet paper roll thingy. Yeah. Paper towel roll, whatever. So there we go. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. I don't know if you guys saw the first video we did with that, but I'll put the link for that down in the description as well. Check that out and let us know in the comments what you think. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.